All right, well, I'm going to show you really quick what to do with this leftover cake top. We're going to make a cake pop. And what we're going to do first is we're going to take our cake and we are going to crumble the top of it into a bowl just like this. This sort of like, it's almost like the consistency of breadcrumbs. Just like that. And what I'm going to do also is I'm going to take a little bit of almond simple syrup and I'm going to pour this into the cake, just a little bit like that. And that's going to give it a little bit of moisture as well. And what you can do is sort of just mix this up a little bit with your fingers. So it's really moist. Just like this. And these are really fun. The kids would love to do this. So once we got it mixed up, and that was just one cake top right there. I'm going to take, probably a couple large spoonfuls of buttercream frosting. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this into the crumbs of the cake top with frosting and the almond simple syrup. And you can see there how it's coming together. And you may have to add a little more here and there, but it's better than having to throw out and waste all of that when you can reuse it. Now, normally you could put these on a like a popsicle stick or something like that. Whatever you have really handy is fine. So we have those all mixed up now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hands, which are scrupulously clean, and I'm going to roll this into a little ball like so. And I have these little umbrellas here, which I thought were cute. And what we're going to do is we'll just skewer that right onto there like that. And we're going to refrigerate these afterwards. That way you have a little something for it to sort of set on. And we'll roll us up another one here. And the kids would have fun doing this. These would be fun to serve at a party or something like that. Put that on there like so. And we'll do one more. Just like this. Rolling it up. We got our little party umbrellas. We'll skewer it. And there you go. There's you some cake pops.